Hey guys, we are back with another brand new video for you all. Today we will talk about the varied pay-per-click ads that will generate huge conversions in 2022 and take your business to the next level. PPC stands for pay-per-click. It is a common model of advertising on the internet. You only pay when someone clicks an ad and visits your website. Good marketers understand your business and tailor the ads they create to align with your goals. PPC ads are hugely profitable when you do it right. It's important to know all the different types of PPC ads available and what you should use them for. With these ads, you can direct potential customers to your website. Now let's talk about some of the different forms of pay-per-click advertising you can do to promote your business. The first type of ad that we will talk about is paid search ads. This is one of the most popular pay-per-click ads. As a brand, you can pay providers such as Google AdWords and Bing Ads to create ads with specific keywords that show up when users type in search queries. Search ad marketing campaigns can help you catch a lot of potential customers with simple methods. They're text-based campaigns with headlines, descriptions, metadata that include keywords and links to the pages on your website. Search ads use an auction system to decide where brands will be ranked and how much they'll cost. The auction considers the advertiser's bid, as well as other quality factors, to determine its rank on Google's search engine results page. The next ad type that we will talk about is display ads. Display ads are a type of pay-per-click ad you can use to reach out to a large audience who have shown some interest in your business. Display ads are shown on Google's partner websites. These ads typically include a photo and some text that hold the audience's attention for a longer time period. Display ads usually are shown to people who are searching for your product or service. These ads are most notable for delivering general advertisements and brand messages to site visitors. It provides a low click-through rate as compared to search ads. You can leverage display ads to build brand awareness. Next comes remarketing ads. A remarketing campaign targets potential customers who have shown some previous interest in your website. These campaigns are very profitable. Here, you can incorporate images with texts and videos in your ads. Google offers two kinds of ads, which are standard and dynamic remarketing ads. These ads are targeted towards people who have visited your website but have not converted. The benefit of using remarketing ads is that it helps the audience to convert or get them closer to conversion, upsell, and cross-sell to them as well. A few examples of the audience to whom you can remarket are customers who have previously purchased from you, people who have abandoned their cart, users who have signed up for your newsletter, watched your videos, and so on. The next one is the Google Shopping ads. Google Shopping ads appear in a carousel format just above the search results. It makes it easy for the audience to compare the products because these ads enclose product images with their price, title, and description. Shopping ad campaigns are majorly run by e-commerce players because it helps businesses to display their products when the users are searching for them. Shopping ads are also one of the most profitable pay-per-click campaigns because they provide the user with lots of information without them having to search for more. It means that they're more likely to convert when they click on these ads. Lastly, paid social media ads. Pay-per-click ads on social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram help you generate huge click-through rates. You can leverage paid social ads to generate brand awareness among the target audience. One of the most remarkable things about social media ads is that you can be specific with the kind of audience that you want to target. For example, targeting audiences based on their interests, online behavior, age, jobs, gender, etc. will help you reach out to the right audience at the right time. Once you set the right targeting in place, you can generate huge returns on the money that you've invested in these ads. A few popular social media platforms that will give you high returns are Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Quora, Pinterest, and Reddit. That's all for today's video. Hope you found it useful. Comment down what pay-per-click ad type you think would be the most beneficial for a business. Please support us by hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel.
Don't tune out just yet. Check out the description because we have some amazing freebies and links just for you. And if you're up for more video from us, check out the 2 videos that is popping up on the screen right now.